morning everyone, it is 6th of November. I'm now going to start trying to upload onto YouTube. I've been doing loads on Instagram, obviously the content's very short, so we're going to start uploading on YouTube, get some longer videos out, some more sort of in-depth stuff, how I'm running my business with commercial and residential sites, winter work. There's a lot of people struggle in the winter. I've managed to get my business now, so I have the same income every month of the year. So I can sit back in the winter, not do much, and I've got the same income as the summer. So if you want that covered, let me know. But yeah, we're going to do some videos of some of the lawn renovation work. Some are just the normal maintenance, and cover all sort of sides of it. Cover it of the van, all the tools, lawn tools like the aerators and the scarifiers, and everything else that goes with it. To one of our commercial sites, one of the bigger ones, is sort of 3 to 4 hours a week. All the leaves are starting now, so obviously we're all out here picking them up, and then as quick as you pick them up they're all falling back down again. But there is no rain today, so at least I'm not going to get soaked, which makes a bit of a change. But yeah, we'll check in a bit later at the first job when we get there. Now at the first job of the day, done a bit of weeding for the first sort of hour just to keep the noise quiet. Going to get all the leaves that stuck in the car park area out, all in between the cars. And then what I want to do here is, I've been mowing this section quite regularly, and there's all the needles and all the bits and bobs stuck in the grass, so we're going to mow it with the Ego, and then I'm going to run the Cobra Fortis over with the scarifying attachment, just to basically, we're not scarifying, I'm just going to use it to pick up all the needles and all the bits of crap that the mower isn't collecting. So it should go through this and clean it up really well, to be fair. Morning guys, we are back. So we're just following on from yesterday. We're going to probably try do some bits each day and just show you the week sort of work. Headed into Kingston this morning. Try and get to our sites for 8 o'clock. Keep quiet for around the 8 till 9. Like where I am now, there's litter picking and sort of deadheading or weeding. So we try and do all of them bits just to keep the noise down till 9 o'clock, and then start all the kit up and get blowing and sort of tidying up. Where I am now has had sort of lawn renovation. It was scalped down, scarified, spiked and seeded and feed. So interested to see how well that's come back. But we'll film a couple of bits and see what we get done for the day. So on this site here we've got big run into the car park areas, and then a few lawned areas, a little bit there. This section's all normally used for a lot of the residents here have got dogs, so kind of keep this area quite sort of rough. We did have some wildflower there and there, but the dogs are all getting covered in it, so we've just been keeping it cut this year now. From here, where we are now, was what's been renovated. Sort of had the full works this lot, apart from top dressing. All the seeds just starting to come up here. It's all clay, this one. Just pulled up to our second job of the day here, another similar sort of site, car park, all the leaves blown about. Get a load of this tidied up with the Ego blower. Probably going to do a string blow and a mow just to collect all the leaves up and keep it all tidy for them. Leaves all collected and cut at this one. Just got to the next site. Big bag of leaves down here, not even from any of our trees, all from the kind neighbour. This site has quite a big car park, but the smallest section of lawn. So this is literally it. So bit borders, little hedge, backs onto railway, so you've got to be really careful that stuff doesn't fall down, because you can get a massive fine for that. So it's always a bit risky cutting the top of that one. Not the prettiest, but it's soaking wet. Do you strim first, then mow, or do you mow then strim? If you could put that below and let me know the way you do it. There we are, that's this one all done. Leaves all tidied. Quick run round and the de-weed of any bits that needed doing. On to the last one. All done. Didn't show the last job of the day. Battling with light, and because of Saltex I'm a little bit behind because the jobs, I wasn't there last week, so it's been sort of 2 weeks worth of work to do rather than one. Just left the last job and we are already stuck in a queue. Police have shut the road. So I don't know how long we're going to be sat here for. It's already 4:30, so we'll get done for the day. We're going to unload the van, get all the rubbish out, and then get ready for another day of it.